On the basis of the given abacuses, state which of the following options is true. Options mean basically which of the following numbers is true. These are two numbers. This is P and this is Q. This P number means in lakhs position there is 4. In 10,000 position there is 5. Then 2 in 1000 and so on. Similarly for Q. Now we have to find out which number is greater. In these cases, remember the basic. Start from the lakh side, means highest side. What is the highest place value? Lakh. Now in lakh, here it is 4, here it is 4. So okay, we have to go ahead now. If here it would have been 4 and here it would have been 3, then no need to look at anything else. So immediately P would have been greater than Q. So these two are same, that is out. 10,000. 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5. Again these two are also same. So out. So 1000. 2 and here 3. Now here comes the real differentiation. See here. This is 3, this is 2. It means Q is greater than P. So check for that option. Q is greater than P or P is less than Q. So B is the answer.